Get ready, 5 seconds. In according constitutional status to the Nagarpalika, we are but responding to the joint resolution passed by the Central Council of Local Self-Government and the All India Council of Mayors pleading for the conferment of constitutional status on the urban local bodies. Ministers, mayors, and other elected representatives of the opposition parties, including political parties represented in this House today, and those that have run away were represented in these bodies, ranging from the CPI to the BJP, and taking in much that line in between. Official spokesmen of all these parties have again and again asked for constitutional recognition for the Nagarpalikas as recently as in their representation to the National Commission on Urbanization. The Calcutta Corporation, headed by a CPI Clause M mayor, argued that a country wedded to grassroots level democracy must bless its local institution with a constitutional status. They went on to say that this bold initiative would become much more meaningful if the roles, functions, responsibilities, and obligations of various levels of government are constitutionally defined. Paragraph, and I cannot resist quoting also their categorical conclusion that urban problems cannot be solved without giving local governments their rightful place in the country's constitutional framework itself. What has happened to change their minds? Let me phrase the question in a different way. What was happened to change their principles? Is it that they are getting too used to the company of those with diametrically opposed ideologies and those with no principle or ideology at all? We have heard the argument that there is no need for a constitutional amendment to bring democracy to the grassroots and endow power to the people. It has been argued that what is needed is political will. I respectfully submit that it takes more political will to amend the Constitution than it does to pass a municipal law. I would also respectfully submit that our constitutional amendment creates the necessary political will where that will does not exist. There is no place in any of this for a holier than thou attitude. No party in India can claim an unblemished record in local self government. Equally, there is no major political party in India which has not something to its credit in regard to local self government. There are some Congress governments that have done better than others, though there are some shortfalls which can be rectified.